I'm just going to show you what time it is. So guys, it's 4 a.m. and it's time for another vlog. Well, people might be wondering what am I doing awake at 4 a.m. Well, by God's grace we live in a very nice house, but still we have to fill water in the morning, which comes from 4 a.m. up till 7 a.m. 4 a.m. being the fastest speed. So water will come any moment, but I thought, since I did not make a vlog today, let's make a vlog and let's show you something important that happened today. And 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Thank you, Jesus. Wow. This is my new mobile portable stand. All of you might be wondering what made me think of buying this stand. Well, in the first place, first things first, if you cannot hear my voice, I would request you to please raise your volume a bit, because I wouldn't want to disturb my wife and my child who are sleeping right now. So actually my wife is not sleeping, she's just gone to sleep. We were having a small talk just now. But coming back to the video, why I thought of buying this mobile portable stand. First thing is that a selfie stick and a mic is enough for vlogging, but since the rains have come in and mostly the shoots might be indoors, you just cannot keep going taking your phone and placing it on some stand or balancing it on some TV. No, you can't do that. You some way or the other will require a mobile stand, and that is the reason why I thought I will go ahead and buy the mobile stand. So here it is. Arya, I will take you through every look and corner of the house, but first I will tell you what all I went through to buy that mobile stand. It sounded very easy that I would just go to the shop, ask the shopkeeper for the mobile stand and I would get it, but ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ. I went to the first shop where I get the mobile stand for a reasonable discount, and he said he doesn't have it. I went to his competitor, they said we don't have it. I went to the third shop, he said sorry. I went to the fourth shop, by God's grace he had a stand in just 300 rupees, but he did not have the unit which comes on top where we can fix the mobile. Then what was the use for the stand? I told him, भाई साहब ये रखो, मैं 10 मिनट में अगर ऊपर का चीज़ फिटिंग मिलता है तो मैं रिटर्न आता हूँ. So I told him to wait. Then I went to the fifth shop. Even he did not have it. Then I went to the sixth shop. The sixth shop is the shop from where we usually buy our son's toys, but it's good but it's super expensive. I went there, मोबाइल का स्टैंड भी मिल गया, ऊपर का यूनिट भी मिल गया, सब कुछ मिल गया, लेकिन जो पहले वाली दुकान में मोबाइल का स्टैंड मिल रहा था वो 300 में था. ये मोबाइल का स्टैंड डायरेक्ट पहुंच गया 800 पे. बट नो प्रॉब्लम, I asked him for a discount and he gave me a massive discount of 100 rupees. So then I actually paid 700 for the stand, but there was a considerable difference between the stand which was costing 300 and now the stand which is costing 700. So I'll unbox and I'll show you. I don't have both the stands, what I purchased I'll unbox and I'll show you, and then I'm going to tell you where and how I'm going to take videos for our new vlogs. So guys, I'm back with the stand and the time is somewhere 4:05 or 4:07. Let me see. The time is 4:07 and I'm unboxing my new stand. I need a scissor. I don't want to drop anything at this point of time because it's going to disturb the neighbors also. He had unboxed it and he had shown me in the shop, but then he packed it back properly. It's a pretty good stand. Oh yes, thank you Jesus, I got it. And ta-da! आराम से, धीरे से, ta-da! Keep this box on the side. So guys, thank you Jesus, this is a new mobile portable stand and I promise many videos are going to come from here. This was the stand which the previous shop had, not of a very good quality. This is for like 700 with the top unit, but the previous one had it for 300, so you can assume कि कितना फ़र्क हुआ होगा. This is the unit of which I was talking. इसमें मोबाइल जाता है. So this stand, I am around 6 feet. ये stand मेरे से भी ऊंचा जाता है, around 6.5 feet. So this is somewhere how it practically opens up. ऐसा भी इतना ज़ोर नहीं डालना है कि पहले ही दिन पे टूट जाए. ये कुछ लेवर्स है. इफ़ यू कैन सी, इसको जितना लूज़ करेंगे तो ये चीज़ ऊपर आएगी. और फिर हम इसे लॉक कर सकते हैं ऐसे. सेम वे इस चीज़ को लूज़ करेंगे तो ये पार्ट ऊपर आएगी और हम इसको फिर से लॉक कर सकते हैं. तो आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग कि सारा का सारा हो गया है, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू शो यू कि ये स्टैंड कितना ऊंचा तक जा सकता है. ये लॉक कर रहा हूँ, ये खोल रहा हूँ. हाँ, ये देखो, अभी मेरा हाइट 6 फीट है. ये तो लगभग चला गया है, कितना फीट पता नहीं. ये देखो, तो ये लगभग 6.5 फीट बोल सकते हैं. फिर से ये मोबाइल यहाँ पर रखता हूँ. ठीक है, तो इट्स कंपैरेटिवली अ क्वाइट बिग स्टैंड. बढ़िया है. दिस इज़ हाउ इट ओपन्स अप. ट्यूबलाइट को नहीं लगना चाहिए था बाबा. ओके, सो गाइज, दिस वॉज द स्टैंड. दिस वॉज अ शॉर्ट व्लॉग वीडियो. अब टाइम हुआ है 4:10. It's 4:10 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to fill the water, then I'm going to get a good night's sleep, and I am going to catch you tomorrow with some more vlogs. My wife and my son are going to join the vlogs very soon. We are going to have super masti, super dhamal. I have discussed with my wife that we will be visiting many places, तो outdoor vlogs भी होंगे. Really sorry अगर जल्दी नहीं हो पाया because it's raining also. But you stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. Please tell your friends about it, and don't forget to share this video with not only your friends but with your WhatsApp contacts also. And do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Till then, your friend will meet you in the next video or the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye. अरे एक मिनट, इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ तो भूल ही गया. I showed you the stand, but I didn't show you how you fix the top part. Many of you will be knowing, but ये एक चीज़ भूल गया. Okay, so this comes right here on top, and you kinda just turn it, और मोबाइल इसमें चला जाता है. If I want it little low, I will get it a little low and I will lock it. Okay. Now take care. See you. Bye bye. अरे I will take you to